Hello, my little shipheads. Welcome back to Ship Talk, where I talk about crime, weirdness, and oddities that happen in the world of supply chain. This week, we talk about the bathroom accessory, the rubber duck. In January 1992, a container ship crossing the Pacific hit rough seas somewhere between Hong Kong and the United States. During that storm, a container went overboard, which happens more often than you think. About 28,800 bath toys went overboard, including yellow rubber ducks, blue turtles, green frogs, red beavers, and due to their buoyant nature, they didn't sink. Instead, they popped to the surface and started drifting. And drift they did. Within months, people in Alaska began finding rubber ducks on the beach, then people in British Columbia, and then Hawaii. And years later, they showed up in Japan, South America, Australia, and eventually some ambitious little toys made their way all the way to the Atlantic. At first, it sounded like beachcomber folklore, but the reports kept coming and the sightings lined up. Oceanographers realized that these ducks were unintentionally tracing ocean currents in real time, not with a research vessel, just lost bath toys riding the global circulation patterns. Some of the ducks traveled through the Atlantic ice, even. Others looped the Pacific for years before washing ashore. A few were found more than a decade after the spill, sun bleached but still recognizable. The ducks became so useful that scientists referenced them in studies on debris movement and ocean currents. One accident ended up mapping out how the ocean actually moves things, not how models said it would. 30 plus years later, people still occasionally find them. Sometimes a rubber duck has bigger ambitions than just floating in a bathtub. So that's our weird story for the week. Remember to follow and share with your freight bestie, and I will see you next week.